Ever wondered how a rock anthem can be transformed into a breathtaking vocal tapestry? Today, we're diving deep into a progressive a cappella cover of Can You Feel My Heart to unravel the secrets behind its captivating sound. First, the arrangement. A complex puzzle where instrumental parts are meticulously translated into vocal layers. Notice how the bassline is mimicked by deep baritone voices, providing a solid foundation. Next, the harmonies. This isn't just singing the melody. It's about crafting rich, interwoven vocal chords that create depth and emotion. The key is in the layering, adding upper and lower harmonies to build a full, resonant sound. Notice the use of passing chords. Now, the emotional delivery. An a cappella performance relies solely on the power of the human voice to convey feeling. Listen closely to how the singers use dynamics, building from quiet whispers to powerful swells to amplify the song's emotional core. The production plays a huge role. You need to capture each vocal take and mix them in a way that emphasizes the complex harmonics, creating a very full sound with no added instruments. And that's how Can You Feel My Heart transcends its rock origins, becoming a unique and powerful a cappella experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more musical deep dives.